calling all procrastinators. If you've been dreaming about eating pasta in Positano this summer, we've got a message for you. It's time to pull the trigger and book it now. According to Travel and Leisure, now is the time to book flights for summer if you want the best price. The week of April 23rd can guarantee you can save up to 12% compared to those who wait until mid-June. That is according to flight, hotel, and car rental search engine Hipmunk. If you do so, you could save 16% on flights for Memorial Day weekend and 14% for 4th of July flights. If you can't buy during this week, do so ASAP, but especially do it before Sunday, June 10th, which is the most expensive day to book any summer travel.